So we're in St. Mary along the main byway.
Along trees.
And
Along
I've been watching this
close to Labyrinth, yeah.
gentleman build a new home for himself here along the highway. One of the first things I saw was he put up this fence with palm tree leaves for privacy. But today's the first I get to see him and meet him because he's usually up in the hill working on a garden. And so he's made this his home, and
You can step through.
I'm gonna step over these rocks.
Yeah, step over them. They won't fall. Let's step over them, yeah.
Okay. And I'm sorry, what was your name
Alright,
again?
you can stand there. Alright, my name is Ahmed.
Ahmed?
Ahmed. Yeah, my
Nice
name
to
is
meet you.
Ahmed. Yeah.
So he's turning this into a home, and he's going to make it a spiritual place where people will be able to pass through. It's a natural cave, and he's making a home out of it. So you see the fresh palms he's getting ready to put in place of the old ones, which will make the fence beautiful again, which is what I took notice of the very first time I came through. So, and he's been working on this. It's been how long, Ahmed?
I've been working on this for 2 years now.
For 2 years. So I noticed the most progress the last probably couple months has been the most progress. So you're living here?
Yes, I'm living here.
So this is the entrance to his home. I'm not going to try to go down the edge here. If you want to just...
No, not yet. You
Give me
can't,
a-
don't go down there by yourself.
Yeah, no, just give me a
Don't go down
little like...
Yeah, don't go down there by yourself. Because I'm going to give you something to put on your head. Oh, yeah, the kerchief. Then let's put the kerchief on top of your head in case.
Okay.
Yeah, while your head on, the more your head is covered better off.
And why are we covering the head again?
Your head will have to cover off because you'll burst your head in the cave, anything can happen in the cave, and your feet, something have to be on your feet because you already know the material that is on your feet is like cement sometimes.
Right.
It strip your feet.
Okay.
So I'm putting up some touch to ice the wall up more because it was higher than this, but because the touch then becomes dull right now, so I have to brighten them up so I can have this going up.
So eventually you'll just do stone, pile stone, make
Yes,
a
it's
stone
gonna
wall?
be a stone wall here, like the ancient stone wall, like the pyramids. It's gonna be something like that, which is stone walls going up on it. That's how I'm gonna design it. Because I have enough stone here, can build a tall enough wall.
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna finish put the touch when I'm finished.
Okay.
Let's put a fee up there, but
So I'm going to just put my kerchief over my head.
put your kerchief over your head, miss. And you can come in the cave, miss. And I'll show you where the head is and where the tail is of the cave is.
All right.
The cave carry a head and a tail in it. You can come with your own slide. You can come with your own slide.
I'm,
You can, yeah,
I
your
don't
own
want to
slide.
fall.
No, all right. Come.
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
All right. Your feet are so strong.
yeah.
Where should I step?
Yeah, man, you can come. Just step in front of my feet. Yeah. Step in front of my feet. Yeah.
All right.
And you're on a stone, right?
Okay.
All right, you're gonna step right in here. In here, solid. Yeah. You're right
Okay.
in here. So yeah.
Wow.
Right? You're gonna step down in front of me here. Yeah.
Oh.
All right. So. All right. Step down a little. All right. This is the tail of the cave, where all of this is gonna come out and it's gonna be on a level.
Wow.
This is the tail of the cave. I'm pointing to the west, and it's not finished dig out yet. Everything is gonna come out,
Okay.
but because of certain reasons, these material, all of these on the ground are material.
Okay.
The bamboo, the tires, the bucket will use to set plants so they can grow.
Okay.
So the buckets are for setting dirt and planting things in them and setting things.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So yeah, you can go down further right now. You can go down further. Yeah. You can go down further. So see it?
Oh, wow.
The
Okay.
tail of the cave is all the way up there.
It sure is.
Yeah, the tail of the cave gone all the way, but when it becomes digged out, down there will be caulked up. It have stone already.
Okay.
The end of the cave, which is the tail, it will be caulked up. Alright.
And then what about this side?
Alright, this side, come.
Wow. This looks like you've done a lot of work over here.
Lot of work. Only to take out the material now out of it and get it level as I want it.
Yeah, this side you can see you've done a lot of
This
work.
is beautiful. I don't have to lock it up at night. I just in it and just taking all the breeze and listen to the cars passing by. Come. Alright, step on this. Yeah, come. Whoa, you gotta take time.
Okay. Wow.
So,
All right, you got your
See?
cook area.
I'm a pot here, my food here, a cook here. So this is the head. This is the head of the cave. And the cave is separated in 3 parts. The cave is separated in 3 parts beautifully, and the design doesn't come out yet. Only to get it level down and burst these stones and put them out and let it be part of the wall. And the ground will be going further down more, you know.
Yeah, just kind of flatten it out.
Yeah, it's not, yeah, flatten it out because I can walk and do what I have to do now. I'm
Right.
planting and I'm doing a lot of things one time.
Right.
Yeah, I'm doing a lot of things one
Yeah,
time.
one day I saw smoke coming. I said, I bet you're cooking.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I cook and do everything. Put my breadfruit on top of the fire there. See it? I was boiling some soup here. I boiled some soup here, you know, but it dried out water.
Wow.
It dried out legal water.
So you came from being homeless on the streets in Ochi and
Yeah, I came from being homeless from I was 3-year-old in Jamaica here, but I didn't have any stop point. Now this is my rest point, where I feel comfortable in this rest spot. I've got many rest spots, but I didn't feel comfortable in them. But this rest spot, I surely feel 100% comfortable in this rest spot.
it's wonderful.
Only thing I need now is my constant hustling or my constant job, so I can have my fund to get this dirt out of the cave, so I can level it out, so I can put the painting on the walls, I can put my painting outside and show them what time it is. Welcome to the Northeast.
So
This is
you're
the
an
Northeast, guys.
artist as well?
No, I'm not an artist. You know, I'm just a speaker. I'm just a speaker like a scholar. I'm just a speaker like a scholar. So I'm gonna get my painting up and show them what the design is and everything they're supposed
And
to
why
know.
the Haitian history? Why the Haitian view? Tell me about that.
All right. The ancientness. The ancient ones, or the angels, will lead. Is guided one or chosen ones to the cave. The cave are for those who are. It's sacred. It's not holy. Sacred is close to holy. But the cave is holy. But many, I don't know, Jamaicans, they have a bad intention about people in cave. If you're wanted, look. I'm not wanted, but look. Cave is gonna always be around, bursting out of the ground because God knows that there are gonna be many falling in the street who doesn't have a home, who doesn't have a family, who doesn't have a resting place for so many years. That's why the caves was designed, but Jamaican government and the world system, they have it wrong, saying that you're a criminal or you're in a cave. No, there's nowhere. God created a cave for his chosen ones. And the caves are sacred, so the caves are chosen for the chosen ones.
So you're saying the ancients
Will lead us
are
to the
who
cave.
is spiritually guiding you.
The Asians will lead us also, and they will always enter the cave before we do.
Yes.
They will around the cave. As a cave bursts out, the Asians will around there and the angels will around there to know that the right ones them leaded and guided into the cave. Many get blame of living in the cave for many years, especially Jamaicans. They're illiterate and dark. They're illiterate and dark because they can't reason with it. They can't reason with right now. If it doesn't have something to give them, they doesn't even want to talk to them. You can't talk to them if it doesn't have nothing to give them. They know who have something and who doesn't have nothing. And they treat you when it doesn't have nothing like disrespectful, violation. So in the book, in the scriptures, in the Holy Book, God have spoken. The cave, when you take up the book and you read it in Arabic and then you read it in English, it's telling you that, in English it's explaining and telling you that the cave will protect you and guide you from violation, of mankind in society. Jamaica is a big violation place because many students, they are not guided. They are still out there and have to be taken violation. But because I'm guided, I keep moving up and down. Because God said in this dunya, travel around. The best of those who is travel around. The best of those is those who travel around. I never leave Jamaica yet on the plane. But still, I travel to 14 parish.
Yes. So are you Rasta?
Look, I'm not Rasta.
Okay. Just curious.
I'm not Rasta, but I'm Islamist still. I'm Islamist with peace, which this is the guidance that come to me. Because the time is coming now where the peace will have to set, which we don't have much time. Time is close. That's why the cave, the design will come out and let them know. I don't know how much more cave left to burst out in Jamaica.
I can't wait to see what you do with the wall and everything. I mean, I already see how you fitted braces in here. And I can't wait to see how you build one of
because the head, I'm going to shine the head off and let the head become solid rock. All the dirt, I'm going to move all the dirt from off the cave. And then all the roses, the beautiful roses and flowers is going to line all around the cave. And showing them that
But it's a beautiful entrance.
This is our creation, and those who were before me or before parents, this is how they will love life to look and to live the life. This is how they love it to look and live the life. So the head will be down deep more. I'll be going down more with the head. And I'll be shifting everything soon. I'll be packing up everything here. Only thing I have here is my cot here.
For sleeping.
Yeah, my cot here and my clothes here. That's all up here. But some things, you know, some things gonna come in time.
That's what I was gonna say. It just takes time.
Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 ladders. This is not my ladder. This is my card. This is my card. This is my card. But the card is shaped like the ladder because the wisdom doesn't go on it yet. But soon 2 ladders gonna there. So when it's open, they'll be stepping down the ladder.
Okay.
Because it will be deeper than this.
Yeah, so right now we're just crawling down the little pathway.
So this is where the water come down.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about when the rain comes.
Look, I need a few, I can't have the funding, I need a zinc to come across.
I see.
And I want to get a door there. And I want to shift those, I want to shift the roots them. Because the doorway will be right there, you're looking at there, you know. The new doorway, it won't be there, and it will be pointing to the west there, you know.
Okay.
The door will be right there. Maybe I can have 2 doorways if I want. I can have 1 coming in and 1 coming out.
Right.
So I can make 2 doorways, but surely I'm going to put a doorway. I have to open up that way because where the root lies, I'm getting an effect from the root of the tree. The root of the tree is both, it's under the road, causing damage under the road, and it's both running under here, shaking down more dirt under here.
Okay.
So
you
I
need
realized,
to slow that down.
Yeah, it's got to dig out. Because as long as it's there, it's gonna shake on the cave. It's gonna shake on the cave. So I can't afford to make the root of a tree shake on the cave.
Right.
Because the cave is already here already for somebody to use.
Right.
So all of this material will be out. And the stone them we'll put one side to make great walls around the cave.
So if you wanted to say anything to the big world out there, what would you tell people? What advice or spiritual uplifting or just in general?
All right, look.
What people need to hear.
To those who know me on Facebook, 2 years now, I've been down offline. That's on my smartphone because things is very low right now. But all my fans, my name is Mohammed Razalula. All my fans on Facebook, Google, UK Wi-Fi, big up yourself. All those who are on UK Wi-Fi, I need these clippings for all of you to see these clippings. I miss you all. Facebook, Google. My name is Mohammed Razalula. I miss you all because I doesn't have a smartphone. When I have a smartphone, I'm around the world looking through my mirror. I always tell you that, and I always stay up at night, right through till daylight, talking to all you ladies and all my friends. So I'm offline for around 2 years now because I don't have a smartphone because all my phone them all have crashed. They are not working. I just have the funding to get back one. But soon as I get back online, UK Wi-Fi, I hope I'll be able to see all that you have for me.
What words of encouragement would you give mankind, humankind? What words of encouragement for us?
All right. This is a time where this time of a shala. That means this time of a shala where things are changing in this dunya. Things are changing in this world. But patience and time, nothing beat patience and time, but those who in rush and haste because of the wealth of this dunya, because of the wealth of this world, don't put your trust in the wealth of this world, because everything will be left behind unto one true God. But just know that if you can do something for someone, please, with a willing heart, you do that, because nothing beats charity, which is the most giving respect and honor unto one true God that created the heavens and the earth. The world can be changed from what's happening if mankind just do as according unto the one true God. We won't have much problem in this world. We won't have much problem in this world, because if everyone should go on side and relax and look into how the world is looking, it can be better off than how it's running right now. We can make it better off for each other. We can make it better off for each other. Because I see where many can assist, because it's only God alone can help. But another mankind or another human being can help another human being, brother. Because that's how it go. From one help to the next help. You help me. No, you assist me. Only God alone helps. You assist me, I assist someone else. And that's it. But mankind, it doesn't make any sense rushing into everything that is in this dunya, in this world. You can't rush nothing what is in this world. What you have to get, you have to get. If you're not to get, you're not to get. That's all I have to say. For now. Until another time. UK Wi-Fi, I need to see you as soon as I get my smartphone, because you know, once I have my smartphone, I never leave you out yet, because everything come on that. The thing come on UK Wi-Fi.
Amen.
You know, so I need to get my smartphone up, but phone problem right now, my friend. Yeah.